What's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O. Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Happy New Year's, everybody. What's going on? What's happening? Super pumped, super excited. This really is one of my first official videos of the new year, guys. These videos you see going up, I actually shot those videos in mid-February. I'm sorry, as you were, in mid-November and early December, guys. So this is really the first video that I'm putting up. But I told you guys I was going to be putting these videos up really quick, guys. I told you we we're going to hit the ground running. And we're ready to go, guys. So today, guys, this is going to be the first video number one in my action takers, right? All my action takers. Video number one, guys. It doesn't matter what you're promoting, guys, okay? In my Action Takers website right here that you guys will find the link to just below this video on YouTube, you guys will be able to access the sources that I'll be covering, and they're a few of my favorite sources. I've got some pretty good results with them for getting more exposure for your business. And I see I spelled business wrong. You guys know what that means. And generating both traffic and leads, right, by way of paid advertising. And so here's the good news, guys. There's a budget for everybody, okay? There's a budget for everybody. Everybody don't have the same budget when they start, out in business online. But paid advertising, guys, I love it. It's quick, it's fast, and it's basically set and forget. So in today's video, guys, we're going to be talking about clicks, and we're going to be talking about banner advertising, okay? Banner advertising. Banner ads can be very effective, guys, if you know when and where to use them. You can set them up, and you can redirect to anywhere you want. You can read, and I'm going to show you guys a few examples of that. I want to make sure you guys are awake. I want to make sure you guys are paying attention. So I'm going to start out with a brain teaser. For anybody who knows the answer, you guys can win $5. Hey, that's cool. Anybody knows the answer, you can win $5. I pay it straight to your PayPal account, okay? I'll give you the answer after I finish the video. But here's the brain teaser, guys. Though brothers and sisters, I have none. This man's father is my father's son. I'm going to say that again. Though brothers and sisters, I have none. This man's father is my father's son. Think about that, guys. I want to make sure you guys are awake. Okay, remember, $5, guys. Okay, look, guys, let's get into it. In this Action Takers video, guys, we're going to be talking about banner advertising today. So I put this site together for all my Action Takers because, guys, I said there's a budget for anybody. If you can commit to a budget, I don't care if it's $25 a week, if it's $50 a month, if it's $150 a month, or $150 a week, whatever you can afford, guys, okay? Create an advertising budget for yourself if you want to start getting exposure for your business, okay? Remember, guys, without exposure, we're dead in the water. So we need to make sure that we're constantly driving traffic into our marketing systems, our sales phones, we want to be doing that, guys. So first, I'm going to show you guys, if you're not familiar with banner advertising, guys, I'm going to show you what you can do with them. Number one, guys, I got them set up in my little mini website right here, but I'm going to click this one right here, and I'm going to show you guys what's going to happen when I click it. Boom. You see what happened, guys. This is for my Best Easy Work people. I just redirected that banner to Best Easy Work, what I call a bridge page that I set up for Best Easy Work. So I just redirected that banner. You guys just saw me do that, right? I'm going to do it again. And it takes you right there, right? Now, that's the cool thing about banners, guys. Let's do that again. Let me show you where this one's redirecting to. Actually, I don't think I have this redirecting to anything. Let's do this one. Again, guys, there's another site of mine that I'm redirecting to by way of banner advertising, okay? Banner advertising, very powerful. Here's another one. This is another one for my Best Easy Work people, I believe. There you go, guys. That's a capture page. I'm redirecting that banner to a capture page for Best Easy Work. So now, guys, that we understand how banner advertising, how that works, you can take a banner and you can redirect it to anything that you want to. For all my Best Easy Work people, for all my Power Lead System people, for all my Legendary Marketer people, my USI Tech people, for any business or service you want to promote, guys. And so these banners are very powerful when you put them in the right place because you can redirect them to where you want them to go. So today, guys, I'm going to walk you guys through the entire process of setting up a banner. And then every week, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to add another source. This is very short right now, but by the time I'm finished, guys, there's going to be about 4 or 5, maybe 6 paid advertising sources. But remember, guys, there's going to be a budget for everybody that you guys can watch every week. Tune in, guys, and if you're looking for lead generation and traffic for your business, doesn't matter whether you or anything in that I'm doing, doesn't matter, guys. Anybody can jump in here. You can access the banners. I'm going to show you guys how to get these banners, which are pretty generic, by the way. Well, actually, all of these are best easy work banners, but I'm going to be putting more banners inside of here, guys. I'll probably end up with 3 or 4 more universal banners that you guys can get in here, and you can get them and you can use them, and I'm going to show you how to do that, right? Now, the very first thing you want to do when you come to my site here, guys, is you want to click right here to set up your free Chris Clicks account, okay? So I'm gonna free Chris Clicks account, right? Go right down here. Click here, guys. That's going to take you over to Chris Clicks. Once you're inside of Chris Clicks, guys, go ahead on right here. Is going to give you an opportunity to create yourself an account, okay? You can do that right here on this site, and it's free to set up that account. I'm going to log in. As you can see, that's me, guys. And now, when you're inside of here, guys, take the time to go inside, and if you want to set up your profile and do all those things, you can do all those things. But you want to be paying more attention than anything else to my ads, okay? I'm going to click my ads. When I do that, you guys can see I already have several ads, banner ads, already loaded into the system, guys, okay? It took me all of 10 minutes to do it, right? And I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do it and how you can start getting traffic for your banner ads and redirecting to anywhere it is you want to go. So let's make a real quick title, guys. I'm going to say in this video, let's say, when you're doing this, guys, try to be creative, all right? Try to make your text up here where it says add title. Try to make it stand out. So let's say this. So amazingly powerful is hard to believe, okay? I spelled everything right, guys. Can you believe? Well, no, I didn't. I spoke too soon. Okay, so anyway, once you do that, guys, here's your ad title. You want to take your URL, right? Your URL that you want to use. And in this case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this URL, okay? I'm going to use this one just to keep it simple, okay? That's where I want to redirect that banner to. So you take your URL for you Best Easy Work people. If it's Best Easy Work you want to promote, your Best Easy Work site, take that. But I'm just pasting, that's my Best Easy Work capture page that I'm setting up because I'm building my list outside of the Best Easy Work website. So I'm putting it there. When you do that, guys, simply go here. I'm sorry, guys. Choose a file. And then you're going to be able to load these banners up onto, excuse me, guys, onto your server, right? I'm sorry, onto your files on your desktop. I hope I can remember the name of this banner, guys, okay? Because I can't remember if I remember what I named the banner. I think I might have named it, banner. B-A-N-N-E-R. Banner, 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 banner. Hopefully I get it. Banner, ad. Wow, guys. Cannot remember what I named my banner, which is not good. So let's see. Banner. Okay, let's try caps, guys, because I think I did it in caps. I'm still not getting it. So let's go over to pictures, because maybe that's where I put it. Now you guys are going to be able to load these banners up, like I say, on your desktop, and you guys will be able to get them that way. And again, if I can ever find my banner ad, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. And I'm trying to figure out, guys, I'm so ill prepared. Anyway, I see one. There was a Best Easy Work banner right there. I'm going to double click. And now you can see that GIF. If you see that, choose banner, view, Best Easy Work, I created that for that. And then I'm going to say create my ad. So once I did that, guys, you can see there's my ad. It's populating now. So amazingly powerful. It's hard to believe. You guys just saw me upload that banner from my file on my computer, right? Now, once you do that, guys, you're set to go. You redirected everything, and you're going to enable that ad. If you look over here to the left, you'll see a little green bar. That means your ad is now enabled, guys. It's ready for you to start generating traffic to it. Now, the next step is to go up here to credits. And that's where, hey, and budget for everybody, guys. You can send 1,000 visitors, right, to that banner for $5.95. 2,500 visitors to that banner that redirects where you want it to go. Wow. Excuse me again, guys. It's kind of smoky in here. I think my son burnt something downstairs. But anyway, so look, 2,500 views for $13.95, 7,500 for $39.95, so on, so forth. So now you can see, guys, your banner has been set up, and once you go in here to pay, you go here. I shouldn't have did that. I did the wrong thing. Let me go back. Once you go to buy now, guys, it's going to allow you to go in and purchase that advertising through PayPal. Okay, now I'm in the process. It'll probably be tomorrow, guys. I'm going to run a 7,500 views to a couple of my websites tomorrow, right? So I'm not going to do it now. You guys know my wife controls the money. She has the credit card. It's okay. But I will be purchasing this package right here, the Pro package. But the point is, it's very easy to do, guys. Again, once you go inside of here, you create your ad title. You will put your web address, that link that you want inside here, guys. Then you will actually go to choose the file. Now, guys, this is how you upload that file or create a file on your computer. If you right click, if I right click, it's going to redirect, so I'm not going to do it. But for the banners that I have set up inside here, let's go back to the page real quick. Right under this page, guys, and I'm going to leave the link for this website right below in the YouTube description area. You guys just saw me. I just walked you through everything. You guys can right click on any of these banners. You can actually copy and paste them. But if you do that, then you got to right click and then go get the URL for it, which will just create a GIF for it. But the point is, it takes all of 2 or 3 minutes. You right click. I can't do it because I'm going to redirect if I do. Right click on the banner, guys. The ad will populate and load it into your files. And make sure you remember what you name it, right? Because I just forgot. I have a lot of banners, guys, and I forget what I name them sometimes. But make sure you do that. And that's it, guys, in a nutshell. Again, you can redirect, as I'm doing right now, these banners to anything that you want to redirect them to, guys. Okay, let's do it again. You can see what I'm doing here, guys, and it's a very simple and easy process. So again, these three of these banners are really for best easy work. I'm going to be loading some more up. That's more universal for you guys who might need some more banners. I'm going to have this about 8 banners in here altogether. But then again, guys, you can just right click, get the banners, download them into your files. Make sure you know what you name them. And once you're inside, let's go back to Chris Clicks real quick. Once you're inside Chris Clicks, guys, make sure when it's on your file, you go here to choose the file, and whatever you name it, unlike what I did just now, that file will populate, and when you double click, it will make that particular banner populate inside of the system. And then once you do that, guys, of course, you can just go in, go to my credits, and you can purchase the advertising package of your choice. Simple enough, right? Action takers. So let's get hot, guys. Hopefully I'll be doing another video on another source that I like. By the way, the very first ad I ran inside here, guys, was $1,000. It was $5.95. I test any source that you see me use, guys. It's been tested. So I was able to generate I was able to generate about 15 leads from this one package right here, which is not bad, guys, which is not bad. Okay, so you got to play around. Okay, well, like any advertising, it's all about testing, tweaking, and scaling. And what I mean is, when you find an advertising source that you feel like it's working for you, you stay with that advertising source until it ain't working for you no more, okay? And as you continue to generate leads and traffic and get exposure for your business, and hopefully ultimately start earning money, you take a portion of that money and you reinvest it right back into more advertising. And this is how we scale our businesses, guys. Okay, so that's going to be it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys were able to follow along. You know, it's really simple and easy enough. Again, I'm going to leave my action takers, get leads and traffic, this website. You guys will be able to find it right below in the YouTube video description area if you guys are on my list. Of course, you guys can just click the link below this video and it'll take you to Chris Clicks. Set up your account, guys, and let's get it going, okay? Now, guys, for the answer to the brain teaser, right? The brothers and sisters, I have none. This man's father is my father's son. Anybody think they know the answer? I'll give you guys 5 minutes to respond. If you don't, that's $5 I get to keep in my pocket. And if I add 95 cents to that, guys, I get to run another banner ad inside of Chris Clicks. Anyway, the answer to that, guys, I'm gonna give you guys just a few more seconds and I will tell you the answer. But again, guys, make sure you do this though. Get in here, guys. Okay. Remember, there's a budget for everybody. And as I continue throughout next week, guys, in the Action Takers video number 2, we'll have another source that I'm getting pretty good results with. And ultimately, this whole site will be filled with, I would say, 5 or 6 of my favorite sources. So there's no more excuses, action takers. We can get in here, guys, and we can start running banner ads right now today to anything that you want to. And next week, I'll add another source, okay? The answer to the brain teaser, guys, is me. The brothers and sisters, I have none. This man's father is my father's son. Who is it? It's me, guys. The brothers and sisters, I have none. This man's father, me, is my father's, me, son, right? Okay, you guys must not be woke yet. Nobody got the answer. Anyway, guys, that's my spill. I'm going to see you guys on the next video, okay? It's great to be back on the internet, guys. It's great to look forward as we move forward in this, you know, 2018, guys, and just start doing our thing. You know what I mean? I'm so happy to be back. Hopefully, guys, you got any questions, just text and or email me. Just make sure you put question for Marlon in the subject line, okay? I'm out of here, guys. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O'Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'll see you on the next Action Takers video.